Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Lots of new products this 2019. I really feel I've been introduced to a lot of different new companies in 2019. Really kind of exciting for me to test out products from companies I am not familiar with at all. And one company that sent me one of their products was a company called Blowpro. Never heard of it before, and the reason I wanted to try this product was it was a dry shampoo. I'm obsessed with dry shampoos. I wash my hair every day. However, I wash my hair at night. So when I wake up in the morning, I kind of like to use a dry shampoo to help me revive my style, give it maybe a little bit more texture, and just make it look fresher, kind of like the way I did it the night before. So that's what this product is for. It is a product from Blowpro, and it is called their Blowpro Faux Dry Shampoo. That's a mouthful. So let me show you what it did to my hair. This product from Blowpro was sent to me from my review. It is their Blowpro Faux Dry Shampoo. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through how I normally use my dry shampoos. This product is supposed to be an ultimate beauty quick fix that should breathe life into your hair and make it look like it did when you first either blew it out or came out of the salon. I'm going to kind of walk you through how I normally use a dry shampoo, and I'll let you see what it does to my hair. What I normally do first is I wash my hair at night. I do wash my hair every night. I'm never going to change on that. And then I set it. I just let the little kind of pin curls set in my hair for probably about, I would say, 1.5 to 2 hours. I do spray a setting spray on them to make the curls hold. And then after that time is up, I take the curlers out and then I sleep on my hair. It's the next morning, and this is what my hair looks like when I wake up in the morning. And I'm going to test out this Blowpro Faux Dry Shampoo and see how it does. This is not a spray bottle. This is one of the dry shampoos that's in powder form, but it has a really neat applicator. It comes in this plastic container. Then when the lid is closed, there is no nozzle and there is nothing that can escape from the bottle. So it really would make a great traveling dry shampoo. And then all you have to do is twist the top and you will see the nozzle. And instead of a pump spray, all you do is actually squeeze the bottle to get the product to come out. And as you can see, this is not an aerosol. It is in powder form, and there is no scent to this at all. Right now, I have no product on my hair. This is just slept on hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my hair up into sections like I normally do and just squeeze some of this Blowpro dry shampoo onto my root area. It does come out in a powdery form, but all you need to do is just kind of massage your hair or comb through it, and that powder sort of dissipates and you don't have any white cast on your hair at all. After using this for a little while, it does revive my style. It does take out any excess oil that I feel that I have on my hair the next day. So in that respect, I think it really does what it sets out to do and what the claims are. It doesn't really say that it's going to add any texture to my hair, and it really doesn't. I mean, it does kind of revive the style, make it look like it's a fresh blowout, or it basically has not been slept on, but it doesn't give me texture like a lot of my other aerosol dry shampoos do. And that's one thing I kind of miss with my short hair. I really like something that's going to give me more texture. But if you're looking for a product that will absorb the excess oil, refresh your style, I think this is a great product, especially since the container is also so travel friendly. None of the powder spills out unless you twist that nozzle. So if you were not familiar with Blowpro's Faux Dry Shampoo, I wanted to demonstrate it for you. If you're looking for more of a powder form dry shampoo, I will leave a link to this product down in my description box. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching as usual. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.